What's up, everybody? This is going to be a quick giveaway video. So a couple days ago, I made a video about top tier signals. It's a crypto signal indicators, and this is their Twitter page. So basically, you can go back and watch that video if you're interested in it, and I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And if you would like to participate in this giveaway, so what you need to do, you need to go to my Twitter account, and I'm going to leave a link for this giveaway in the description below. And then there's a few things you have to do. You have to follow top tier signals, you have to follow me, like, retweet, and tag 3 friends. Winner will be able to claim lifetime access that worth $300 in their Discord, and after they're gonna mint, winner will receive free NFT airdrop from the top tier signal. And let's say, for example, if you chose not to actually use and trade, you can always sell on secondary market. And this is pretty much it. Good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.